Continue with our Postgres series. Okay, we are going to talk about our delete command today. In case if you don't know, we are already discussing our DML command. We have made videos on insert and update. Now we're going to talk about our delete command. Okay, so what is delete command? How it is used? Okay, so before deleting, or maybe if you're directly visiting this video, let me tell you we have already created a table which is called as employee. So this is our table. You can see this. Okay. We have some entries: his first name, last name, email ID, age, salary. Okay, we have department, joining, gender, and manager ID. So now let us try to run some delete command. Now let us say, what if we want to delete those employees which belong to a department, let us say IT. I can see IT over here. Okay, so the command for that is delete, spelling as DELETE, from table name, where we'll say department is equal to, remember IT was in capital, so it also has to be written in capital. So delete from employee where department is equal to ID. You can run this. Okay, spelling, I'm so sorry, DEPARTMENT, where department is equal to ID. Okay, now let us run this. Yes, we can see the 3 rows have been deleted. As we can see, it is delete 3. If you want, you can go and check. The command for that is select star from employee. Okay, and we can see that there is no department as such which is called as IT anymore. Now that is one way. We can do multiple this also. Let us say we want to delete all those employees who are of the age, let us say 35. Okay, so again we'll say delete from employee where I can say age is greater than or equal to 35. So you want to delete those employees, which are at this particular age. So again you can select. We can see that 2 rows are deleted. Now this is single deletion. Okay, what if I want to delete depending upon multiple condition? So let us say I'm saying that I want to delete those employees. Okay, now where the age is, let's say 30. Okay, and I can say department is equal to, let us say, HR. Sorry, and department is HR. Okay, DEPARTMENT. So where the age is 30, as we can see, and the department is HR. That means what will happen? Both the condition have to be true, then only your delete command will work. We can see that one row had satisfied it and then only insert one has come. Now as we can use and, we can obviously use or also. So either the age is 30 or I can say or. Okay, or the department is HR. So that can happen. Either of the condition is true, we can delete it from our table. So we will say this way. So we can see 2 rows are deleted. So we did so many delete operations. We can see our table back. Only 2 rows are left now. Else all the rows we have deleted. Okay. So this is how we can use delete command. Various other ways you can see that where the date of joining is after this, where date of joining is before this, you can delete that. You can delete those employees whose manager ID is 1, or I can say whose gender is female, okay, whose salary is greater than 40,000, okay, something like that, or such conditions we can use, for our delete command. Syntax remains same, remember. Let's delete from table name, where is a keyword, then you write the attribute. If you want more conditions, you can use and, or, such kind of things, okay. So this was all about a delete operation, which is a DML operation. Thank you.